am-est.weather.com. And now, your local on the 8th.
Currently in our area, 35 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. A wind advisory is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, mostly cloudy skies. A shower of rain or wet snow possible. High 39. Winds southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with partly cloudy skies. Low 25. Winds west-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. On Tuesday, cloudy skies with a few snow showers later in the day. High 32. Chance of snow 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook.